Hey guys, so this is yet another one of Luffy's educational learning videos, and today we're actually gonna this is one of our programming lessons on HTML. So let's begin. So before we start, we're gonna talk about what HTML5 really is. HTML5 forms the basic text structuring of web pages. So when you go to a web page such as the NASA website, for example, the design is using CSS3, but the text structure, which you can see the HTML by clicking the right button and click view page source, and you can see all the HTML inside this web page. In fact, you can do this for any web page. So when you go to our website Leaftree, view page source, and you can see the HTML. So before you start typing up all your HTML skills, you need a compiler where you can start programming. So a compiler, you usually have to download it. So I have Notepad++. It's free, but it's only for Windows users. However, you can just download Chrome, or you can just find a online HTML editor. So I'm probably gonna use that. Okay, so the most recent type of HTML is HTML5. So you used to have to write like a lot of things to specify what version of the code is. Before, like, you had to write what company it was by, and blah blah blah. But now, because it's so simple nowadays, all you have to type is doc type HTML, and there you go. But you don't see any change because this just tells the computer what version it is. So this not only works for HTML5 but for any future versions. So it's very stable and very reliable. So the first thing we're gonna learn about is called tags. Tags are like the building blocks of HTML. So for example, this is a tag, or this is a tag, or this is a tag. So these, you see, tags always have these signs, and you usually have to end tags using those same signs, and you have to add this little dash mark. That's only usually. Some tags like BR, they're special. They're so you don't have to end tags like those. So let's begin. The H1 tag is for writing big text. So, and you end that. H2 is for, H stands for header. So yeah. So H2 is for slightly smaller text. H3 is for a little smaller text. So, and you can go all the way up until H4, H5, all the way up until H6, which is really small text. But if you end the tags wrong, like this, it doesn't end properly. So you have to make sure that you end the text properly and you begin the text properly. If you don't want to be restricted to the default text sizes, you can use this: font size equals 3, for example. And believe me, this is a pretty huge font. And then you end that tag. And let's say you want it to be different colors, so you write color equals red. See, it becomes red. Becomes green. Not sure if yeah, even that works. So if you just want to write plain out text, oh, and by the way, this size also works. So see, okay, it doesn't proceed more, but so you can see how it works. Anyway, let's move on to the paragraph tag. That's what P stands for, and using that you can just write a paragraph. So, hi, this is leaf trees welcome in paragraph. Thank gosh I got a new keyboard. Anyway, so you end this tag, same lowercase. Yeah, that's lowercase. So you can also make bold words. So that's how they make bold words. So make that B, and as usual you have to say where your bold tag ends. So you can write B. See, so it's only bold here. You can italicize stuff. So let's italicize this up until this, and we ended it over here. You can also underline stuff. So U for underlining, and maybe we can stop it in the middle of the word. So this part of the word is underlined, this part of the paragraph is bolded, and this part of the paragraph is not really a paragraph though, is italicized. So let's see, HTML, you end that. So you also have the title tag. So the title tag is actually I'll show you. It doesn't come up here, but the title tag, it's what you see over here. So let's put this in our Notepad++, and we should be able to see it. Control new. Let's save that, and let's run it in Chrome. See, it says leaftree.txt. Oh wait, that's because I saved it. Anyway, let's move on. The next thing is that we're gonna add images. So write image, img, not the full word, but img, and then write img for image, and then src for source, and then write equal sign, the quotation marks, and then let's say you want an image like earth. So let's say we have that. Click the image, click view image, and then shouldn't have taken us there. Click view image. Oh, okay, let's try another image. Click view image, and here's the image URL. I'm sorry if this looks scary a little bit, but this is the earth, and it's our home planet. Anyway, so paste this URL over here, and ready, set. Ta-da! We have this image over here, and we can zoom out. See? So the next thing we're going to talk about is the form elements. So one of them is called a checkbox. So you usually see checkboxes where you can check multiple descriptions, and then is the text box. So in the text box, it allows you to type any text you want. So let's say my last name is Rifat, which Barry, which really is true. And another type is radio. So radio is just where you can select just one selection. So an example of form elements would be this web page I designed. So let's restart it. Profile name, Rifat, the element please select a gender, male, cat photo, no, space, airplane photo, simple, astronomy. And yeah, so using the radio you can only select one, But using the checkboxes, you can check multiple stuff. So, and I don't know what I like, so that would be just. So that's what they're for. So after you finish up the form and everything, you have to find out a way to put your website on. So you have to use a web hosting service. So like the web hosting service I use for Leaftree is Webs. So let's go to that place. Webs. Make an account. I already have an account. And then after you make your account, click add a new site. Or you know what, I'm just gonna sign up just for you guys. Let's say my email address is dude in red pajamas. It doesn't really know what an email address is. It just checks for the @ and the dot. Anyway, let's say my password is I don't know. And my site type is maybe personal. So create a free website. Okay, so let's see. Enter your site title. New site. This is not gonna be real. I'm just making it for you guys. Let's see. Let's choose a type. Okay, agree to the terms of service. Blog. No. Yeah, that's it. So create my website. New site. New site 4. Okay. Okay, fine. I don't need to know whatever. So all you need to do is go to other and paste this HTML. Then double click to change. Oh, you have to upgrade? Well, then I'm going to use my previous account for Leaftree. So let's go to Leaftree. And sadly I have to show what's actually inside. So let's see. Click on other and then click on custom HTML. And yes, I have a premium account so I can add the HTML. So let's paste shower HTML here. No. And there you go, you have it there. See? And once you click publish, go to the website, wait for it to load, and see, we can type our first name, whatever your first name is, and I don't know my last name, I just forgot. And then text, the first the big heading, the small heading, the even smaller heading, and the heading is so small you don't even call it a heading. The underline element, the italics element, and the bolding element. Here you use the font element to change the characteristics of the text structure. This is another text box. Hello world. Whatever. So yeah, that's how you oh, and I'm gonna delete this obviously. Make your HTML and publish it. So thanks for watching, and see you next time on how to and next time we're gonna talk about more advanced HTML. So thanks for watching.